for for anything else pa, belated happy birthday. Salamat. And beautiful dress. Walang fashion statement. Ganito, yun po sa ito, papalabas po ito sa ating YouTube video for this slate. Ngayon, in 1986, you were a student leader po in college. 24 years later, ano po yung kinaibahan ng hulugan ng people power noon at people power ngayon? At ano yung pwede nating mensahe sa mga kabataan na manunood dito sa YouTube?
Okay. Well, ang kaibahan ng anibersaryo ng people power ngayon sa pangyayaring people power ng 1986 ay noon, it was really such a grand and historical production, unprecedented. It took our breath away yung generation ko ng mga aktivista na estudyante. 24 years hence, ang pagkakaiba ngayon ay andun pa rin yung mga banta sa democratization process that we started with that people power revolution. So, kailangan pa rin natin bantayan, kailangan pa rin natin labanan. At the same time, yung hamon ay yung people power, hindi na siya maging lagi grand production, pero pang araw-araw na ethos ng ating mga mamamayan that we internalize as citizens the spirit of people power, at the same time we institutionalize people power through the reforms and changes in the structures of our society. So, may pagkapalit, may rin pagkapalit.
Thank you very much.